Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video lecture we will learn about the dental pontings. Terminologies about dental bridges, what is dental ponting, requirements of dental pontings, classification of dental pontings, method of fabrication of dental pontings, types of dental pontings. Let's start. Dental pontings. Terminology used about dental bridge work. Number 1. Abutment teeth. Tooth to which the abutment teeth attaches. Number 2. Retainer. Crown that attaches to abutment. Number 3. Ponting. Ponting means fake tooth. Number 4. Connector. Connects the retainer to ponting. Viewers, below the picture you can see the retainer, connector, abutment teeth and ponting. Ponting. Ponting is the artificial tooth in the fixed or removable partial denture that is the suspended portion of the fixed partial denture, replacing the missing natural tooth or teeth. Requirements of dental ponting. Biological requirement. Number 1. Cleanable tissue surface. Number 2. Access to abutment teeth. Number 3. Use biocompatible material. Number 4. No force apply on ridge. Mechanical requirements of dental pontings. Number 1. It should be rigid. Number 2. Strong. Number 3. Resist porcelain fractures. Number 4. Use beryllium-free metal. Classification of dental pontings. We can classify the dental ponting in 3 categories. Number 1. On the basis of mucosal contact. Number 2. On the basis of material used. Number 3. On the basis of method of fabrication. Number 1. Mucosal contact. On the basis of mucosal contact, we can classify the dental pontings into 5 categories. Mucosal contact, no mucosal contact. Mucosal contact. Number 1. Ridge lap ponting. Number 2. Modified ridge lap ponting. Number 3. Ovate ponting. Number 4. Conical ponting. No mucosal contact. Sanitary or hygienic ponting. Number 2. Modified sanitary ponting. Number 2. Material use. On the basis of material used, we can classify the dental pontings in many categories. Wax pontings, self-cure ponting, heat cure ponting, metal ponting, alloy ponting, gold ponting, all ceramic ponting and gold alloy ponting. Step number 3. Classification of dental ponting on the basis of method of fabrication. Step number 1. Direct in the mouth with the help of self-cure or laser beam. That's called custom-made ponting. Step number 2. Create dental ponting on dental model or dental die with the help of different dental materials. Custom-made or artificial ponting. Number 3. Method of fabrication. Things required for dental ponting. Bunsen burner, inlay wax, sticky wax, waxing instruments, cotton cleaning cloth, dye wax separating liquid, zinc stearate or powder wax, double-ended brushes, cotton balls, fine mesh nylon hose. Fabrication of dental ponting. Step-by-step procedure. Number 1. Wax the internal, proximal and axial surfaces of the retainers. Step number 2. Soften the inlay wax, mold into the approximate desired pontic shape and adapt into the ridge. Step number 3. Lute the ponting to the retainer and for additional stability, connect its cervical aspect directly to the master cast with sticky wax. Then Wax the ponting to proper axial and occlusal contour. Step number 4. Complete the retainers and contour the proximal and tissue surface of the ponting for the desired tissue contact. The ponting is now ready for evaluation before cut back. Types of dental pontings. There are 5 major types of dental pontings that we mostly use in dentistry on routine work. We will discuss all types of dental pontings in detail in furthermore paragraphs. Type number 1. Sanitary or hygienic ponting. Number 2. Saddle or ridge lap ponting. Number 3. Modified ridge lap ponting. Number 4. Conical ponting. Number 5. Ovate ponting. Number 1. Sanitary or hygienic ponting. This type of ponting makes no contact with the edentulous ridge and it's most commonly used mandibular molar replacement. It is made in all convex configuration, faciolingually and mesiolingually. This type of ponting design is known as fish belly. Viewers, in this picture, you can see the example of sanitary or hygienic ponting. Number 2. Saddle or ridge lap ponting. It looks like a tooth, replaces all the contour of missing tooth. It maintains a large concave contact with the underlying ridge and obliterate facial, lingual and proximal embrasures. Viewers, that picture show the clear example of saddle or ridge lap ponting. Number 3. Modified ridge lap ponting. Modified ridge lap combines aesthetics with easy cleaning and makes contact with ridge tissues in a shape of T whose vertical arm ends at the crest of the ridge. This design is most commonly used in the area of the mouth that is visible during function. Viewers, in this picture you can see the example of modified ridge lap ponting. Number 4. Conical ponting. Conical ponting design is mostly limited to the replacement of thin knife edge ridges in the non-display zone of the mouth. It has a concave surface with only touching the center of the residual alveolar ridge. Viewers, in this picture you can see the example of conical ponting. Number 5. Ovate ponting. Ovate ponting design is the most aesthetically suitable appealing designs that look like emerging from the gingiva. When ridge resorption is corrected by ridge augmentation, ovate design appears to be emerging through gingiva just like natural teeth. Viewers, in this picture we can see here the example of ovate ponting. Number 6. Additional class of dental pontings. Modified sanitary ponting. The tissue facing surface of the modified sanitary design ponting design has a hyperbolic parabola. The ponting is designed as a concave archway while the undersurface is convex faciolingually. Viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.